Thank you for always stopping by to check on us, Chad. You always make us proud as parents. As for Wojak, I wonder when he will grow out of that wage cock life. He never has time to visit us because he is either doing night shift, or weekend shift, or just some other helpless overtime.
Dad, I sold my company and started a new one. I have already raised $25 million in Series A funding for my new startup.
Darling, are you expecting someone?
No, but let me check who is at the door.
Hi, Dad.
Darling Wojak, welcome home. It's good to see you after a long time. You didn't tell us you were coming this weekend.
And what happened to doing weekend shift every weekend?
My son is finally becoming a successful man. I always knew that you will eventually grow out of that wagey life.
Okay. Mum, Dad, so I'm home because I lost my job.
I knew it. I knew something had gone terribly wrong, as usual. So let me guess, you also lost all your savings because you had gambled them into that Bitcoin nonsense. And now you're jobless, homeless, and moving back into your parents' home at your age. What a disgrace.
Don't be too harsh on him, darling. He is still our son. And you will agree with me that Wojak has attempted to do more things than the average kid. And even though he keeps failing, he has never given up on his dream of becoming rich someday.
Oh please. More like he has made more mistakes than the average kid. Chad here took just a few months to master his business and he has been excelling since then.
Darling, you know it's a cruel world out there and Wojak is soft-hearted.
Soft-hearted my ass. Soft-heartedness doesn't pay the bills.
It's not Wojak's fault that luck has not been on his side. And the economy is currently at its worst with several people losing their jobs.
My goodness. So you think being successful is a game of luck? Why do you always side with Wojak's silly decisions? You are partly to be blamed for his failures.
Please don't say that, darling.
Guys, I am still here. If coming back home is making you both fight, then I will just go away.
No, my son, you're staying.
Wojak, prove me wrong? What happened to your Bitcoin investments? Hasn't Bitcoin become worthless now?
No, Dad. It's just a temporal market crash. Cryptos will recover soon. The main event that triggered this crash was the Terra Luna collapse. Yes, my portfolio is down, but technically I haven't lost anything because I haven't sold.
Yes, brother. Terra Luna collapse was such a disaster. I had a small portion of my portfolio in Luna, but I was not affected because I had sold all my Luna coins at $105, just a few weeks before the collapse.
You see? I never get why Wojak doesn't learn from Chad. Chad always makes the right investment moves, but Wojak is always left holding the bag.
How can you take investment advice from someone who always says they are not a financial advisor after just giving you what is meant to be financial advice? Anyways guys, let me take my bag upstairs and freshen up.
What upstairs? No room for you upstairs, my friend. Go make yourself comfortable in the basement.